Hey everybody, it's Chris. I thought I'd stop and make a video real quick. I'm looking at this van maybe as a service vehicle, and I thought I'd show you guys, but I probably won't know nothing until Monday. So I will show you guys around it a little bit. Dealership's closed, so I can't show too much. It's got the 6-liter gas in it. Tell me what you think, and if you want to see some vehicle reviews or something like that on the channel too, let me know and I can start making some and talk to some dealerships about doing them. Alright, I'm gonna get out and show you. Got the ladder racks on top. It's a 1-ton tow package. See, it's got shelves. Sorry about the glare and stuff. Oh, they did leave the door unlocked. Passenger side they have locked. Looks like it has vinyl seats in it. I don't think it looks too bad. So let me know what you think and leave your comments below. Please subscribe, like, and I enjoy your comments, so please leave comments. As always, be careful and be safe out there. Keep turning wrenches. Over and out.